Welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel, and let's get into a quickie. Now, dark and moody home decor is bold, dramatic, and unapologetically stylish. It's a design choice that tells a story the moment that you walk into a room, and instead of bright and airy, it leans into depth, intimacy, and atmosphere. If you've ever wanted your space to feel sophisticated, mysterious, and cozy all at once, this might be the style for you. So what is dark and moody decor exactly? It's all about rich, saturated colors and dramatic contrast. So think deep navy walls, charcoal gray furniture, black accents, and jewel tones like emerald, ruby, or plum. These colors are paired with layered lighting, candles, sconces, or warm-toned lamps to create an ambiance that feels both luxurious and inviting. The textures in dark and moody spaces also play a huge role. Velvet sofas, leather chairs, dark stained wood, and metallic finishes all add dimension and richness to the room. Instead of making a space feel small, these elements actually wrap you in comfort, almost like a stylish retreat from the outside world. But why are people drawn to this look? Because it makes you feel something. It's moody, but in the best way. It sparks emotion, creates intimacy, and gives your home character. For some, it's the drama. For others, it's the sense of calm and grounding that darker tones bring. Either way, it's a style that turns ordinary rooms into an unforgettable experience. So if you're ready to step away from the light and embrace boldness in your home, dark and moody decor might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more design inspiration, and check the description for some curated pieces to help you bring this dramatic look into your space. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one.